If your hands are as dumb as mine, but you want to get some home appliances, don't miss out on this weekend's Comex IT show to see and try them in person. Here I am at Roborock's booth learning about their most premium Roborock S8 Max V Ultra from their friendly team. It has state-of-the-art functions including a blade that slices hair to prevent it from getting jammed in brush rollers, among many other functions. I wanted to get some hands-on experience too, to learn about maintenance because I was worried I can't handle it myself when I'm at home, including like where to add floor detergent and the logic of the clean and dirty water. Roborock also has a model where the water inlet goes directly into the robot vacuum. Roborock only makes vacuum cleaners and even Xiaomi also invested in it.
It's not hard to see why Roborock is so popular at Comex.
P.S. If you're at Comex, snap a photo or video there, share it on IG or Facebook and follow these instructions to spin their lucky prize wheel. Their grand prize is precisely the Roborock S8 Max V Ultra.